We're traveling into another dimension, a dimension not only of sight and sound, but of mind. We're journeying into a wondrous land whose boundaries are that of imagination, says the signpost up ahead. Your next stop, the Twilight Zone. Hello, everybody out there in the land of make-believe. This is the holier than hell Reverend Bark Me Laughing Wolf, submortal cheerleader to the apocalypse, and I am like a minion of good. I'm about to take a twilight ride. The sun's going down, and I'm gonna go get some dinner. Going to Herfy's. Gonna get me a burger, a Herfy's burger. So I wanted to show you what I got going for to be able to be seen. Now, this twilight time is they say the hardest time to be seen. I think it's probably because there's a little light, so there's not, the reflectors don't work quite as well. I don't know the science behind it. I'm just talking out my ass. But I like to make sure that I can be seen, if you didn't know already. So I'm going to go through some of the things I got going for me to make me visible. And first, start off, you see my jacket, which is black. Now, it's hard for me to find things that aren't black, so I end up getting black things and putting colors on them. So my jacket, you see, I got patches on it. Got patches on my jacket to make sure that you can see it. You can see my jacket. You can see me. Hey, see me, and I'm seen. So, but that's not enough. So when I'm driving in twilight or at night, especially in the winter, I might try to get away with not doing it in the summer. But in the winter, I pack my light vest. Boom, pretty cool. I like my light vest. It changes different colors. You can put whatever color you want. And I got a review on my website. I'll put a little thing on the YouTube here. I've already got a review. I'll put a little link down there in the description. There, it does that. Trippy. Now I like this one. Is this one? No, this one. Yeah, this one. People think I'm a police. So it's got this thing on the back here. People won't pass me if I'm wearing this with the red and the blue going. They'll tailgate me, which kind of upsets me. I like people in my right there in my blind spot, so I'll wing them, go ahead and go. But yeah, with this one, people tend not to pass me when I got it on this blue-red one. But yeah, got a review for this. Got this going on, and then on my bike itself, I've got a pretty good light there. Turn on light. So I got a pretty good light there on the front. That's an Inti, and I had that for a couple years. It's been running okay. Wish it had more battery power, but it's a single unit. Doesn't have an extra battery. I got one with an extra battery, and it was a big pain in the ass. Didn't work. So this works well enough. Just I have to make sure I keep it plugged in when I'm not using it, and it goes through here. Right. So this is on my oh gosh, it gets really bright. So this is on my my handlebars. It's an out front, and if you notice, I've got it at an angle. You don't want your bike light to be just straight 45-degree angle off of your handlebars, because that's just in people's faces. You're blinding people all the time, and a lot of people will put this thing on. Well, don't do that. Don't ride with that. I don't care if you have it pointed at the ground or not. You're just blinding people. And I've had discussions with people. I'm like, yo, dude, don't come at me with that light on. I'll ride you off the road. In any case, don't use this. Yeah, don't aim it at your face. Put it down there, a little bit of an angle, so it's aimed at the ground, which you want to see the ground anyway. It doesn't matter way up there. You want to see right here anyway. You want a little light on your subject. So get your light going now. I actually have a second light. I've got my ORP horn. I think I might still be able to use the coupon code they gave me, Bark Me Orp. So I got my ORP horn. And that is a horn. Oh, that's a horn. And then it's got different light functions. I only use this, if it's an emergency, need emergency lighting. So that's spare. And so I got this light. I got my my headlight light. And then now what I would like to have is a tail light, but I backed into something. My fence or something. So I broke my tail light. So I have just some reflective stuff. I've got reflective tape on the back here. Got the reflective patches on my colorful bags, and I couldn't get all the bikes I was looking at ended up getting black, so I just put reflective everything on it. Yeah, same in the front, reflective tape. And what else I got? That's about it. Oh, and then the other thing is I have reflectors. A lot of people just take the reflectors off right away. Not only do I have reflectors, but I bought these fancy reflectors. Hey, they're pretty cool. So yeah, when you get your bike, leave your reflectors on. Oh, they weigh so much. Shut up. I'm like a disco ball riding down the street, and that's the way you want to be, because people just run you over. People run you over and just drive away. So this, in addition with the where's my helmet? This, in addition with the camera on top of my helmet, which is white. Hello. I get great visibility. You can see me, can't you?
Definitely.
Yeah, see, I can be seen. So yeah, when you guys are out bicycling, make sure that you got as many lights as you can put on top on you there, and then always have a bike lights, have your reflectors, and if you can have a tail light, have a tail light. As soon as I get some money, I'm broke now. I don't have a job. But as soon as I get a tail light, boom, going on there, you get a tail light for like $30. As soon as I get $30, I'll put a tail light on this bad boy. But I'm hungry. I'm gonna go get my burger now. Till next time, ride safe, be seen, have fun.